Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today, we're diving into the top kitchen interior design trends of 2024, tailored specifically for Dubai homes. If you're planning a kitchen renovation, or just looking to update your space, stay tuned because we've got some exciting and stylish ideas for you. Trend 1, Minimalist, Clean Lines. First up is the minimalist design that focuses on sleek, clean lines. Dubai's modern homes are adopting this trend with integrated appliances, smooth cabinetry, and open spaces. It's all about keeping things clutter-free and stylish, which fits perfectly with Dubai's luxury vibe. Trend 2, Sustainable Materials. Next, sustainability is a big theme for 2024. People in Dubai are leaning toward eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo countertops, and energy-efficient appliances. This trend not only helps the environment but also adds a natural and earthy aesthetic to your kitchen. Trend 3, Bold Color Accents. Gone are the days of all-white kitchens. In 2024, Dubai is seeing a rise in bold color accents, especially jewel tones like emerald green and sapphire blue for kitchen cabinets or backsplashes. These vibrant colors bring life to your space while still keeping it chic. Trend 4, Smart Kitchens. Tech innovation is also a key trend. The smart kitchen is becoming a must-have in Dubai homes. From voice-activated appliances to automated lighting and smart faucets, technology is making the kitchen more efficient and user-friendly. Trend 5, Natural Stone and Marble. Lastly, natural stone and marble are trending materials for countertops and backsplashes. Dubai homeowners are embracing these high-end materials for their durability and luxurious look, adding elegance and sophistication to the kitchen. Where to shop kitchen renovation materials in Dubai? Wondering where to get these materials and products for your kitchen renovation? Look no further than fixingexpert.ae. Whether you need countertops, cabinetry, or smart appliances, our experts will help you choose the best materials to match your style and needs. Why choose Fixing Expert? At Fixing Expert, we offer more than just products. We provide full kitchen renovation services with top-notch craftsmanship and personalized advice. Our team understands the latest trends and ensures your kitchen looks both modern and functional. That's it for today's video on the top kitchen trends for 2024 in Dubai. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our home improvement tips. For all your renovation needs, visit fixingexpert.ae. See you in the next video.